is Dooner Livingstone. I'm currently on my way to Independence, Oregon. I just stopped in Sinclair, Wyoming. I've been on LinkedIn for quite a while, but I haven't ever really known how to use it. I've never gotten anything from it. I've never gotten any kind of benefit from it. And it's supposed to be geared toward, your career, your goal, your what you do for a living, and networking and marketing, I guess, which is what I like to do. But I haven't quite figured out how to use it. I just paid, I'm trying the free trial. Using the free trial for premium, LinkedIn Premium. Well, you're going to see me on here a lot more, and if you see stuff from me, or you get messages from me, or whatever, I'm not a creep, I'm not a bot, I'm a real dude, and I gotta watch my language here. If you don't know me from YouTube, I've been on YouTube for quite a while, for over 10 years now. I do have a bit of a language problem. I speak I gotta watch how I talk. But anyway, I'm not a creep, I'm a real man. I'm a real truck driver. I do open deck, currently pulling a 53-foot step deck with 10-foot spread. I can also combine them together to make them tandems. I have lots of experience doing LTL, hauling machinery, oversized, and that's width and height. Never really done heavy haul. Help me build my presence here. Help me network. Let me haul your freight.